Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe that we are trending down. I think this is the end of an ABC correction. But looking at this monthly candle that closed yesterday, it definitely doesn't look very bearish. It actually looks like price may end up going up. I still think this move up is going to be a correction to the last move down, and I still think the trend is going to keep on going down. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, head back over to the dollar index. On the dollar index, I still think this right here is a downtrend. I still believe it's a wave one. But looking at price, especially on the daily, I think this is actually turning into an A, B, C, D, E. And that means that it's probably going to go all the way up to about the 50% Fibonacci extension to make like a wave two before it actually goes down and makes a wave three. So the 50% Fibonacci retracement, that is, I think is at this point probably going to be a very likely place for this to end up. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see a little clearer this correction. This move up right here is definitely a trend. This move down is definitely like a three-way pattern. This move up is a trend. This move down is a three-way pattern. A wave B and a wave D inside an ABCDE should be a three-way pattern. A wave A, a wave C, and a wave E should be a trend. So it definitely looks like it's fitting very well. And I think that this will end up continuing the uptrend, probably taking out these highs and doing something like this to finish a wave E before it actually ends this correction and continues the downtrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, I still have my ABC here just in case it does potentially turn at one of these fib levels. But at this point, like I said, I don't even think this is a wave A anymore. I think this is a one. I think this is more likely a wave two. I think there's a very good chance we're in a wave three, and this could just keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. I definitely am going to be watching these Fibonacci levels as it goes up to see if we see a potential end of a wave C. But at this point, I think it's more likely we are in a wave three of wave E, like I was showing on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this right here is definitely a trend. Looks like a wave one. This looks like an ABC, most likely a wave two. I think we're most likely in a wave three, and I really don't think it's over. I think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, telling me that I am definitely looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks that I may see, potentially for the continuation of what I think is a big wave three on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.